Today we are going to see electric field due to two parallel sheets of charge. We have here two parallel sheets of charge. Two sheets kept like this. One sheet, then next sheet. Both are thin sheets of infinite size. We already know that for a thin sheet of charge, at any point surrounding it, electric field will have a value sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Here we have two such similar sheets. Both sheets have same type of charge, both are positive. One has a charge density sigma 1, other has charge density sigma 2. Now we can divide this arrangement into three regions. First region is this one. First region. Second region between the sheets. Third region after the second sheet. First region, second and third region. Now I am going to choose a point here. I need to find the total intensity due to both the sheets at this point. This sheet will produce electric field at this point along this direction. And what about the value of electric field? Sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0. Also, this sheet, it is kept very close. This also can produce electric field at this point towards this side. Now, this electric field I will mark with this vector, but value is different. It is sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. Both fields are towards left side. So, we can apply sign convention. We can give a negative sign. Minus sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. Now, we are going to the third side. On the third side, this sheet can produce electric field at this point in this direction. What is the electric field? Sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. Sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. This sheet also can produce electric field here. This also in the same direction. What is the value? Sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0. Now in the region 3, this field will produce electric field in this direction at this point. So what's the value? Sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0. This will also produce electric field towards left side. So this will be equal to minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. So in the three regions we have electric fields. Now we will add this together to get the net field at region 1, 2 and 3. Now at region 1, we need to add these two fields because these two vectors in the same direction. So net field E, I can say E1 is equal to, we need to add these two, minus sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0 due to first sheet, minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0 due to second sheet. Adding 1 by 2 epsilon 0 is common, we can get sigma 1 plus sigma 2, total field. On region 2, I need to add these two vectors. That is net field on region 2 is equal to sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0, then minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. Here also I can take common 1 by 2 epsilon 0. Remaining is sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Then on region 3, I have these two vectors. So net field on the region 3 is equal to, I need to add these two, sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0. Again plus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon 0. So taking 1 by 2 epsilon 0 common, in region 3 I have 1 by 2 epsilon 0, sigma 1 plus sigma 2. These are the results in region 1, this is in region 2 and this is in region 3. I have got three results. Equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now there will be an additional case, that is both the sheets have same charge density, means both will be sigma. But one will be positively charged, other will be negatively charged. What we will do? We will say sigma 1 is plus positively charged with the charge density sigma. Sigma 2 will be negative charged with the same charge density sigma. How will these three equations modify? E1 in the first region in this situation. I will just redraw the diagram. In the region, in the first sheet, I have positive charges, charge density sigma. In the second sheet, I have negative charges with the charge density sigma. So in region 1, region 2 and region 3, we can use the same result here, but we need to replace sigma 1 and sigma 2. So E1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 epsilon 0, sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Sigma 1 is plus sigma. Plus sigma 2 is minus sigma. Sigma minus sigma. What is sigma minus sigma? It will be 0. So in region 1, electric field will be 0. In region 2, I have 1 by 2 epsilon 0 and to subtract sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Sigma 1 is plus sigma minus sigma. Sigma minus sigma is 2 sigma. I will get 2 sigma by 2 epsilon 0. What's the value? Sigma by epsilon 0. In region 3, I will get a similar result because in region 3 I have 2 epsilon 0, sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Sigma 1 is plus sigma, sigma 2 is minus sigma. Sigma minus sigma is equal to 0. So, in regions first and third, electric field will be 0, and in the middle region there will be electric field sigma by epsilon 0. So, this is about electric field lines due to two parallel sheets of charge. Both are infinitely long, thin sheets of charge. Charge density sigma 1, charge density sigma 2. Here, charge density plus sigma, charge density minus sigma. Positive charge and negative charge. Here, both charges are having same sign but different charge densities. Here, same charge densities but opposite signs. Okay, thank you.